I got a 2003 Buick Park Avenue. I'm sorry. Hook up an amp is pretty difficult. Try to get this thing through this. It's very difficult. Running the jacks is very difficult. You want to take 7mm right there, 7mm. 7mm you need to take out, and then you got to run through here. That's the easiest way to run a remote wire. And this piece, I'm pretty sure that you know how to do it already. You got a one Phillip right there. Somebody took that out. I didn't do that. And then you just pry it out. And then I tried to take this out, but it didn't work. So to run a power wire, it's a little bit tricky also. This one I just pry it out and push the wire in here. It's a lot easier that way. And you got a Phillip bit right there you want to take out, but you don't have to put that back in. It looks fine right there. And you want to take the 7mm right there, a couple 7mm, 2 7mm right there to get out to this part right there. And then you want to run the power wire through there. There's a rubber boot. All you do is take a coat hanger and push it through. Be careful hitting the wire if it's sharp. But other than that, you run it to the back right there. Just basically drive it. Just pick this up and run it here. You got to lift all the way out and then push it through there. And you run the power wire and the ground. I'm going to do the power right there to 12 volt. The ground right there, right on here. But make sure you don't screw to here. I use this 2 soft type of screw. I'm gonna run it right there. I'm using the ferrule 8 gauge, 4 gauge I meant. Put it in here like so and tied it. Yes, you probably notice like why he's in so much of in a hurry. Yes, I'm in a hurry because I got that car. I'm working on a Tesla screen on a Honda Civic. So guy bought this from my buddy pawn shop, and I'm gonna run the speaker wire to the back over here. It's got 2 negative, 2 positive, meaning it's mono block. I'm gonna run that right there. And the 4 gauge with the fuse holder, run it right there, all the way there. And as you can see, that's where I ran the 4 gauge to that rubber boot. So I use 100 amp.
The guy that owned this car right here. So what's your name, buddy?
Sure.
So what do you think?
Yeah, it sounds real good.
Yeah.
Some type of extreme audio outlet.
That's right. Yep. I had to fix his radio because the fuse is blown, but other than that, everything sounds really good.